Right now, I have 19.
19.
They left 19, but I brought 62 cattle.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking a guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost.
Tulaku is a large open-air market located in Accra, Ghana, precisely in a town called Ashaiman, one of the busiest and most well-known parts of Greater Accra. Tulaku has been around for decades. It grew naturally over time as traders and Fulani herdsmen from northern Ghana and neighboring countries like Burkina Faso and Mali began bringing their cattle south to sell.
Me, I'm from the north. So what brought me here is that every year since 2015, we'll get a trailer. Every year we'll get a trailer packed like 150 to 200 cows in 2 sets of different trailers. Then we transport them from Bimbila to here. We have a lot of friends here. So if we bring them, the day we brought them here, we start to sell them one till they all finish.
Okay, so when did you come here from Bimbila?
Yeah, it's 4 days from today.
4 days from
4 days,
okay.
yeah.
So you targeted the al-Adha?
Yeah, it's because
come here.
Like this, as we came here, if not next year, we will not come.
Okay.
We only come here during al-Adha time.
So why do you choose this place?
You know, there's a proverb in my language. I don't know. We say it like, in English, both the words in parents' mouth.
Okay.
What the parent they talk, this one you go talk am.
Okay.
So I see my father were carrying to come here.
Okay.
I was still a small boy. Like we started coming since 2013. Up to date. We don't skip even a single year. So it's my father who is in charge of everything.
Okay.
So it's my father who I followed here.
Accra was growing fast. More people needed meat and Tulaku became the place where supply met demand. The name Tulaku is believed to come from the Hausa word for a gathering or assembly point, and that is exactly what it is, a meeting point, a marketplace, a community. Over the years, it became more than just a place to buy and sell cows. It became a hub for northern culture in the south. You will find Hausa, Fulani, Dagomba, and other northern communities all doing business side by side. Languages mix, food is sold, friendships are made, deals are sealed.
Which ones you get for you?
You say?
Which one?
I get both.
You get goat.
I get ram. Cow meat.
You get goat, ram, cow meat. Then this one.
This one the fowl. I get guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl. The guinea fowl, the amount.
That one. 1.5. The fowl. Guinea fowl.
1.5. This one be fowl.
This one the fowl.
The guinea fowl. 200. Okay.
The guinea fowl.
Why? It cost you.
No cost.
Yes.
Would you buy 180? You sell at 200, no but. Yes.
You give me the good son. I'll give you the good son.
6 books.
How much?
This one, 700.
700 cedis.
700.
You don't see the meat. You say 700 cedis.
This one,
One time. Ghana.
700.
700. So I want to buy 50 Ghana. Maybe 50 Ghana.
50, you know this. 50 the cow.
50 the cow meat. Give me cow meat.
See the cow.
50 with that.
I don't.
Every day they cost like that.
No, but that the salad time.
The Saturday time. So normal day, the 700 cedis the amount.
If you know the salad time, man, you sit down 4.5.
4.5. Oh, 500.
Very good for you.
Today, Tulaku is widely considered the biggest cattle market in Ghana. On normal days, it is already busy, but on al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, it becomes something else entirely. Thousands of people flood in, prices go up, animals move fast, and the whole place takes on a life of its own. It is not a tourist attraction, but if you want to understand how a big part of Ghana's meat supply moves, and what faith and trade look like when they meet in one big field, Tulaku is the place. Before we go on, let me tell you about the sponsors of today's video. If you are struggling as a farmer to sell your produce, this app makes it easier to meet buyers across Ghana. You sell and rent farm equipment and input. This app will help you meet farmers across the country. Visit www.afuomdirect.com to register for free. Imagine thousands of cows, hundreds of traders, buyers haggling, animals making noise, dust and mud everywhere, and everything, the energy, the noise, the buying, the selling, everything has been turned all the way up. We came here to see it for ourselves, and what we found was more than we expected. Now, in the middle of all this madness, we spotted someone who honestly stopped us in our tracks. A little boy, couldn't be more than 7 years old, but he wasn't here with his parents to work. He was here to work.
Issaka, what is it? What is it?
Sunday.
What is 7 years? Until where they are. Who are you? Juma Ben. Upon check. Upon chain, Juma Ben, or your family. I see your child. What's it? Mama will be here. Mama to say. 10 cities. Dapo. Put you on a purple city. It's one that over. One over. No, my name, Papa. More. Who's school? I don't know what that is. It's in your square. In your square. In your square. You know, class, and you know, guy. Class 1, and now, guy.
7 years, already knowing the value of hard work, already showing up. But is this what he needs at this age? Now here's the thing a lot of people don't think about. The animals you see here at Tulaku did not just appear. Someone had to bring them. And for a lot of these traders, that journey is long, really long. We met a cattle merchant who came all the way from the northern part of Ghana, drove his cows down to Accra just to sell them here today. We had to ask him, was it worth it?
We have 11,500. We have 20,000.
What would the difference, the size?
He depend on sizes.
Okay.
Because we have big one, we have maybe medium one, we have small one.
Okay.
It depends on how the cow is.
So this big one behind us.
This one is 17,000.
17,000.
16,000. Right now I have 19. They left 19, but I brought 62 cattle.
Within how many days?
In 2 days.
2 days.
From Bimbila.
Okay. So within 2 days, you bring 62,000.
Yeah.
Therefore,
Yeah.
19.
19. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So why do you come from
I'm from Bimbila.
Yeah.
We come from Bimbila.
So why do you come
You know, Ashaiman is their tech is a big thing. So we are buying Bimbila brought to bring it to Ashaiman.
Oh, so you are not the farmer, you buy and bring it.
I buy and bring it. I'm a cattle dealer.
You have money.
That is the business. You load up, you travel, you hope the prices are good when you arrive. No guarantees, just hustle. But look, As much as Tulaku is about business, today is first and foremost about faith. al-Adha is not just a market day. For Muslims all over the world and right here in Ghana, it is one of the most important days of the entire year. It is a day of prayer, of giving, of remembrance. We wanted to hear from someone who could really break that down for us. So we sat with one of the elders here, an al-Adha who has been part of this festival
markets
for years.
in Ghana.
Yeah.
If I'm not, if
It is. It is.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the biggest cow market
Okay.
in the country.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So can you tell us today? We want to learn a bit about what is happening. Yeah, I've realized that here is very chaotic, busy, and
Yeah.
everything. What is happening today?
What is happening is it started from when God asked Abraham to sacrifice Isaac.
Okay.
You know, according to the Bible, it is a temptation to Abraham.
Yes.
God has tempted him to do the sacrifice with his child,
Yes.
so which he didn't refuse, and
It-
he tried to sacrifice Isaac, and God asked him to stop and look at the ram,
Okay.
and he should sacrifice the ram instead of Isaac.
Okay. So it means that the same thing that happened in
Yeah,
Tulaku,
yeah.
that's what you people are celebrating.
Exactly,
Wow.
exactly,
We are the same people.
exactly. It is nothing but that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you see people sacrificing cow,
Mm,
the first choice is a ram.
okay.
Yeah. Our first choice is a ram,
It's a ram
and then the second choice is a goat.
before.
Before camel,
Okay.
before
A cow.
cow.
Okay.
But camel and cow,
Yeah.
just to get more meat to extend it to the extended family.
Okay.
But the first choice is a ram.
Okay.
Exactly how Isaac, God asked him to do.
Okay.
It's the same sacrifice we are doing. Nothing but that.
Okay.
So when you sacrifice the meat,
Okay.
you have to share it to the family. First, we divide it into three.
Okay.
You share it into three parts.
Okay.
You understand? One for you, one for your wife's family,
Okay.
and then the last three is for your neighbor.
Your neighbors. Oh,
Neighbor.
neighbor.
It's not Muslim.
Okay.
Mind my language.
Okay.
It's neighbors.
Okay.
Either Muslim, Christian, pagan. Anybody who is your neighbor. It's not
Muslim.
strictly for Muslim. No.
Okay.
Say for neighbor.
Yeah.
So anybody who is your neighbor, yeah. And we Muslim, Islamic talk much about neighbor.
Okay.
That we should consider neighbor. Anybody who is your neighbor. Anything you do. Even some neighbors do inherited Muslims' property.
Oh, okay. That one, in what case would that be?
Yes, because some neighbor you become too
Close.
close and then it becomes a family friend.
Okay.
If you want to share, you share it before 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Before we pray the 6 o'clock prayers is over. So when you share after 6, but after the 3 days,
Okay.
the benefit is not as you should have to share it within the 3 days.
Okay. So when you kill a cow, you have to share it within 3 days.
Yes,
It has to.
within 3 days.
It has to finish within 3
Yes,
days.
you have to give it to who you want to give.
Okay. Right. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you.
So it is not just about buying a cow. There's a whole story behind it, a whole meaning. And honestly, once you understand what this day means to people, the whole atmosphere of Tulaku starts to make sense in a different way. So that is Tulaku on al-Adha. One field, one day, but so many different stories happening at the same time. A little boy earning his own money, a merchant who traveled hundreds of kilometers just to make a sale, an elder reminding us what this day is really about. And if you already knew about it, you know we did not even scratch the surface. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if this video said something to you, share it. Let more people see this side of Ghana. We will see you in the next one.